My name is Rob Power. I'm a member of the International Association for Mobile Learning, and today I'm presenting at the BC Educator Network Day, and I'm going to be doing a quick demonstration on methods to build a mHealth reusable learning object using Google Forms. We just looked at an example that I had previously created with a radiography colleague at College of the North Atlantic, Qatar. And we're going to build one here now to show you how quick and easy it is to use Google Forms to build a mobile learning reusable learning object. The first thing I'm going to do is look at my resources that I have here available. I have an image, syringe image, and I'm just going to download that. So my image is there now in the top of that folder. And now I'm going to go to Google Drive. I'm already logged into Google, so I will just click on Drive, and it opens up my Google Drive folder. And I've set up a folder in advance for this, for Educator Network Day. And once I'm in the folder where I want to create this object, I'm just going to click on New. And on the bottom here under More, Google Forms. And it brings me to a blank form. And I'm going to skip the tour right now and put in a name for this. So this is EdNet Day Sample. And you'll notice that it already gives me one untitled question here. So I'm going to put in a sample question. Does this look easy? My first option, yes. My second option, no. And I can make this a required question if I want, so students have to answer it before moving on. And now I'm going to hit plus to add an image. So you'll remember I downloaded an image a moment ago of a syringe. I could just drag and drop that image here from my computer. If you're going to add images to a reusable learning object, they should be related to the question itself so that you're reducing the amount of screen space that you're using up on a mobile device. I'm going to drag this image above my question. And now I'm going to add another question here. Would you try this yourself? And again, yes, no. And you can drag your questions around into a different order. Now I'm going to add a page break in here because I'm going to show us how to set up a branching activity with this. So I'm going to add section 2 here. And I'm going to take this question and put it down in section 2. And I have some options under here. So I'm going to go to section based on answer. So if they answered yes, I'm going to go to section 2. And if they answered no, I'm going to go to submit form. It'll take them out of the exercise. So if you have many sections in there, you can determine which branch they follow down. And I'm going to do the same here. Well, in this case, I'm not going to have another section, so I'm going to just leave it the way that it is. This will be the last question in here. And now I'm going to hit the send button. I'm finished, so I can hit send. And it's going to give me links to send this by email if I like, or a link itself here, and I can shorten that link if I would like to just have the URL for this. I'm going to copy this link, go back to my course here to the next page. I've already created a blank page here in my course to insert this form. So I'm going to add a direct link here, and I'll just insert this link and hit save. I'm going to go back to my form, and I'm going to get the embed code. I just need to highlight that and copy it. Hit edit here again. Now this is a bit trickier, at least it is in Canvas. I have to hit the HTML editor, so if you're not comfortable editing HTML, I wouldn't recommend trying this. I'm just going to delete this line and replace it with the embed code. Hit save. And my sample form is now here. I can play around with the HTML code later if I like to make this fit a little bit better in my screen size. So it's that quick and easy to create a mobile learning reusable learning object for any subject area. In this case, a healthcare example using Google Forms. It's very easy to set up branching activities using multiple choice questions. And it's very easy to get a link to send to your students or a code to embed it directly into your learning management system or your course web page.